Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix your Grindr app banned account problem. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so if your account on Grindr was banned, the fix depends on whether it was a temporary restriction, a device ban, or a permanent account suspension. So first things first, we need to go ahead and open up the app and look for if it's an account ban, device ban, terms of service violation, or a underage verification issue. Now, the best course of appeal is to appeal the ban. So we need to go to the help center of Grindr. So to do this, we want to go ahead and open up a web browser, go to help.grindr.com. Then from here, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on Get in Touch. Now we want to go ahead and submit a request. So if you know why your account is banned, go ahead and click on the drop down menu and then find the best possible option here. So if we go ahead and check this out, let's see which one is the best option to pick. So there's no appeals here, so what we need to do is click on my issue is not listed here. Then from here we want to fill this form out. So you want to go ahead and jot in your email address and now put the subject in. Say if you've got an account ban, put in account banned issue or device blocked issue. And then from here we need to go ahead and tell us what's happening. So basically I just filled this out. So say if you've got a banned account, so this request of review banned account, you can read a suggested article here if there's something that looks similar. Now from here, click on tell us what's happening. So I've basically put down, so if I go to the top of the email, it says here, hello Grindr support, my Grindr account was recently banned and I'd like to request a review of the decision. I believe the ban may have been made in error or I may have unintentionally violated a policy. I value the platform and am willing to follow all community guidelines going forward if possible. I would appreciate any information about the reason for the ban and whether my account can be restored. Thank you for your time and assistance. So put in your full name or your name and your Grindr email here, and then that will get back to you. Now, if it says here, is this the email associated with your Grindr account, go ahead and check it. If it isn't, go ahead and leave that unchecked. And yeah, give them 24 to 48 hours to get back to you to help unbanning your account.